Hello MIT team, this is Mohammed Hawash from Egypt, and this video is part of my application for the blended master's program for the supply chain management. Okay, and so this is to answer the 4 questions that were posted on the portal. And first question is, why do you want to get a master's degree in supply chain management? Uh, let's clarify something at first. It's not just a master's degree in supply chain management. It's a master's degree in supply chain management from MIT. Okay, this counts. This is something else. This is on a whole new level for me. So it's not just a master's program. So this is something I wanted to clarify in the beginning. But yeah, to get to the answer, for me, it's to be very honest and put it very simply, it's to further improve my knowledge and my career because I'm already a working professional in this field, and I feel like I really need this opportunity to to get to a whole new level within my field, whether in Egypt, my home country, or in any other country. Sorry. Yeah. So for me, it's like the next logical step for me. So, and this gets me to the next question actually regarding my previous supply chain training or work experience. Well, from training perspective, I have attended multiple seminars explaining the CPIM. Okay, I did not get the test, but I attended the course content itself and the explanation. Okay, so this is from a theoretical side. From a practical side, I already have an experience in supply chain management in the controlling. This has been for like 5 years. Okay, and it happens that also during these 5 years, I also worked in ERP implementation in Nigeria. So actually, SC4X was very relevant to me because I actually had to deal with some of the concepts that were explained in the subject itself. So this is yeah. So basically, as I said, experienced 5 years in controlling in FMCG. I'm working in Henkel, Egypt right now, and I did the SAP implementation in Nigeria. And in my current role, I am the industrial engineering manager in the plant in Egypt. And basically, I have the controlling and I have the production planning as well, and the warehouse management. The warehouse, not for the finished good, but for the raw and packaging material. Okay, so this is a very quick summary for my experience. For the question 3, describe the perfect job. Well, yeah, describe the perfect job that you would get after you've completed the supply chain master's program. I would say that this would be if I'm going to use Henkel's hierarchy, because this is the company I worked the longest time with. I would say it's the demand and supply planning manager, or perhaps the planning and logistics manager. This is from Henkel's hierarchy. Basically, he's the person who's responsible for all the supply planning and running the logistics as well for the entire country, for the entire business in the country. And I would also like to have as well the concept that I have now, which is the something like the SAP implementation in other countries as well. So my experience with Nigeria, it was quite eventful, and I would like actually to repeat this again someday. So so yeah, so planning and logistics manager, and it would be nice to have as well the concept for the SAP implementation as well. So this is for question 3. Question 4, what global supply chain problem do you find the most interesting and why? Okay, yeah. Okay, so from what we studied, I would say it's the sourcing and shoring. Basically, the concept itself and the decision-making process are what I find quite interesting regarding how companies take the decision to expand globally and where to build a new plant and all these things. So for me, this is quite an interesting topic that I'd like to get into more. So yeah, this is my very quick answer to the questions for my application. Thank you.